welcome class. This is the homework that you got on the 27th, which is a Wednesday. As promised, I'm going to do a few of these problems as a resource to you. Okay, so I'm going to do number 4, 5, and 8. All right, let's start with number 4. So we got 6 times negative 10 plus m equals negative 11 minus 2 times negative 3m minus 5. All right, we can't do anything in the parentheses, so we're going to distribute our 6 over, and then I'm going to hop over here to the negative 2, and I'm also going to distribute that. Just get all that out of the way. So 6 times negative 10 is a negative 60, and then I have a plus 6m equals negative 11. A negative times a negative times a negative is a positive, so I get plus 6m plus 10. All right, now I can't combine anything over here, but I do have like terms on this side. I have that negative 11 and plus 10, so I'm going to do that real fast. So we end up with a negative 1 plus 6m on this side, and this side hasn't changed, so we have negative 60 plus 6m. Okay, I'm going to combine my integers, so I'm going to add 1 on both sides, and then you get negative 59 plus 6m equals 6m. All right, now I'm going to mess with my m's, and I'm going to subtract 6m from one side and the other. Okay, and I'm running out of room, so I'm going to move this over just a little bit. And I'm going to bring this over here. So I end up with negative 59 equals 0. Now, this can't be true. Negative 59 does not equal 0. It's not a true statement, so this does not have any solution, so no solution. Number 5. Like the other one, we gotta look at our parentheses, see if we can combine anything. We can't, so we jump to distributing. So distribute that minus 5 over, and distribute that 9 over. So we get negative 5x plus 45 equals 18 minus, 18 x plus 1. All right, now I can't combine anything over here, but I do have that 18 and 1, so I'm going to rewrite this. And then 18 plus 1 is 19. And that's what I have now. All right, now I'm going to mess with my x's. I'm going to add 5x to both sides. So I end up with 45 equals 19 minus 13x. Okay, and I'm running out of room again, so I'm going to move this over so we have some more space. This is all going to come over here. So I'm going to rewrite it. 45 equals 19 minus 13x. I'm going to combine my like terms, so minus 19 minus 19. And then I end up with 26 equals negative 13x. Now I have to make 1, so I'm going to divide by negative 13 on both sides. And I end up with negative 2 equals x. And that's our solution here. And because x equals one number, that means we have one solution. All right, we're not going to do 8. I messed up in the very beginning. We're actually going to do 10. So we got negative 6b minus 2 equals negative 2 times 1 plus 3b. Can't do anything in the parentheses, so we're going to distribute that negative 2. we got minus 6b minus 2 equals negative 2 minus 6b. Okay. Now I'm going to combine my 2's, so I'm going to plus 2 on both sides. And we got minus 6b equals minus 6b. Going to get my b's alone, so I'm going to divide by negative 6 on both sides. And that's going to make 1 on both. So we end up with b equals b, which means that we have infinite solutions. Now, you could have identified that this is a infinite solution, but just by realizing after distributing that we have negative 6b minus 2 equals minus 2 minus 6b, which is still a true statement. You could have also identified this as an infinite solution problem by just seeing negative 6b equals negative 6b. But getting all the way down to b equals b is also a-okay. All right, if you have any more questions on the homework, please see your instructor. Other than that, have a good night. Thanks.